Skincare is a key for any makeup look. Start off with a clean, hydrated, moisturized skin. After cleansing, here I'm using different toners to layer it couple of times until the hydration is locked. You can use just one good hydrating toner and use it couple of times. Then I'm gonna add my serums that adds beautiful glow as well, and an eye serum, and I'm gonna lock all these hydration with a moisturizer. Then I'm gonna use a facial tool to massage my face until all these products are absorbed. Then I'm gonna go with the SPF since it is daytime, and this is about the skin prep. Now let's begin the makeup. We want the base to be light and glowing. So since we have prepped our skin really well, let's add a glowing skin tint that is lightweight. And then after adding the skin tint all over the face, let's add the concealer. I'm gonna add the concealer under my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth, where I need a little more coverage. Then I'm gonna blend out the concealer. Then the next step is blush. I'm gonna add the blush a little higher, and I'm using a liquid blush that adds that beautiful glow, a glowy liquid blush. Use any cream or liquid blushes that you have that adds glow. If you don't have a glowy blush, just mix in with a good liquid highlighter so that you can make it glowy. Then I'm gonna set the concealer with the powder. We are using a very little bit of powder here. We don't want a lot of powder, and as you can see, I only use the powder to set the concealer, not all over the face. Then on top of the liquid blush, I'm gonna add a baked blush which is also has a glowy finish. And then for the eyes, we are going to keep it very simple and bronzy. I'm using a bronzy eyeshadow stick here all over the eyelids as well as on the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna add a brown liner on the inner and outer part of waterline, then further wing it out, then adding a green liner right on the center, which helps to make the brown eyes pop. Then for the lips, I'm using a lip tint. This one is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's their Bennett tint. I'm gonna go with 2 layers of Bennett tint. When the first layer is dry, I'm gonna go with the second layer, and to give some definition to the lips, I'm using a lip liner. This one is from Maybelline. It's their Lifter liner in the shade Fine Line. Then after liner, I'm gonna go with the plumping lip oil. This one is from YSL Beauty. This plumps the lips, and to give some more glow to the skin, I'm using L'Oreal Lumi Glass, which is basically a highlighter on the high points of my face. And this is the finished look. Love how glowing, effortless, easy, simple, wearable, lightweight this look is. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.